Welcome to River Gleanns, a Fowler Homes luxury rural community built in the heart of Dallas, Oregon. It's a perfect lifestyle community, complete with green, sustainable building processes and luxurious features. Discover modern, open floor plans with high-performance windows, a stacked stone fireplace, luxury vinyl plank flooring, and high-end finishes throughout. The chef's kitchen features granite or quartz countertops, smart kitchen appliances, and shaker door cabinets with soft closed doors and drawers. Enjoy sun-filled spaces and designer color schemes. The fully cedar-fenced landscaped yard provides privacy and a covered patio for year-round entertaining. This 4-bedroom floor plan offers main-level living with a light and bright main-level primary suite, well appointed with large windows and luxurious carpet. Contemporary fixtures include undermount sinks in your spa-inspired primary bath, plus a huge walk-in closet. You'll find a junior bedroom suite on the upper level, perfect for multi-generational living. Other features include 3-car garages and RV pads. Living here, you're close to walking trails, schools, an aquatic center, golf, pickleball courts, shopping, and more. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information, please contact the team at Premier Property Group at 503-776-0858.